All right, welcome to the second part of this video. Okay, so what you need to do is just to go through the first one very well. That's the essence of video anyway. You can play back. Like I said, I will send the exercise files. You don't have to type all these files. I'll send it to you so that it's easier for you to get. All right, so we want to do another section. You have the start date, the end date. Then in this case, we are going to calculate number of years, number of months, number of weeks, and number of work days. So for somebody in 19, okay, let me write something. Let me just do some. Today's date is today's date is what's today's date? Today's date is 23rd, so it's going to be 5, 23, 25, 5, 5, 23, okay, 5, okay, 5, 23, 25. Okay, so I'm going to use that one. Okay, as a basis. Alright, I'm going to do it in your file before I send to you, so you don't have to type, don't worry. Alright, so we want to know the start date, the number of years between this start date and this start date, 1967 and 2025. So let's see. So there's one we use in Excel that we call dated if in Excel. Dated if in Excel. Alright, dated if. So we have this B27, comma C27, comma, yes, that's all. Close bracket, and I press enter, you get what? 58. Look at it. Dated if, is bracket B27, comma C27, then the year sign or symbol. Now, if I want to add years to it in terms of words now, there's a keyboard symbol called ampersand. Let me type it. For my own here is Shift and 7. You press the Shift button and letter 7. Okay, to get this. Then you have this. So once I press enter, you have years. So you can do that if you want to do that. But if you don't want to do that, you can remove it. So double click and I got the other numbers like this. Alright, so for the month here, we have equal sign, dated if, into brackets, that's B27, comma C27, comma what? M for month. Alright? You press enter, that's 700. Alright? 700 months. So that between a person that lived between 1970 till date would have lived what? How many months? 700 months. So this one also, I can start to do ampersand months. So you can do that also. Alright? Number of weeks. Now, this is the only one that is different. I'm sure that what you'll be thinking is that for weeks I'll use W. No, it doesn't work like that. For weeks, it works on this method. How many days do you have in a week? 7 days, right? So just say dated if, okay, into bracket B27, comma C27, alright, comma D, okay, this, divided by 7. But you see, since we have brackets here, I'll have to put another bracket here to complete it. Alright, can you see now? Day D plus 7. That means number of days 7. So I'll just say ampersand weeks. Alright? Look at it. Number of days. You have dated if. Okay. You have B27, comma C27, comma D. That's this. So ampersand. So you have this, then complete everything. So that's it. Alright? So like I said, you can always go to it to check your distance again and again. That's for that. Okay, so the next one we want to talk about is the calendar quarter. Now I want to know how many quarters we have in a year. We have 4 quarters. A quarter is 3 months, right? So January to March is first quarter, April to June is another quarter. So every 3 months is a quarter. So we have 4 quarters in a year. Alright? So how do we calculate this? So see, we say equal sign, round up, round up, into brackets, month, into brackets, this, okay, this, close brackets, divided by 3. Alright, then close the brackets. So, since we have 3 months in a quarter, this particular cell divided by 3. So, when you press enter, okay, too many arguments, it's talking about too many arguments. There's something that is not really okay there that I need to sort out properly. Okay, so let's see again. Alright. I think I just have to get close to some of these things here. Okay. Alright. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Okay, so let's start again. Round up. Okay, so let me just quickly, I guess there's an error there I was trying to get. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so we have round up. Round up. Now, we have months, into bracket this, comma, divided by 3, comma 0. Yes, I think that's the issue. That's just the difference between that. So, once I press enter, it will be the same. Okay? And you get the other part. So, this one shows that it's in quarter 1. This is January, this is March, quarter 1. This is April, this is June, quarter 2, and so on and so forth. So, that's the formula. You have round up, month, into bracket, cell reference, comma, this will give you. Okay, so let me pause this video here. We'll do it in the next video. All right.